Yo ninjas and Kaio, and welcome to this new tutorial about the press to handstand. This transition will be very useful to master the flare to 90 or flare to air flare, or even flare to handstand. Personally, I cannot do it so well, so in this tutorial someone else is gonna teach you the progression on how to do it. I'm sorry for being inactive in the last weeks. I had to work on some new projects and then I got COVID, but now I feel well, so I took a little break from YouTube. And also I bought a new camera and I'm filming this tutorial with this new camera. I hope the quality is better than usual. From now on and in the next weeks I'm gonna try to post at least once per week. If I can, I will try to post even more, but I'm not sure about it. But you will see again at least one tutorial per week. If you will need more help for your breaking, check out my Patreon link in the description. And if you want, check out my merch, link in the description as well. So today's guest is Tara from California. She's a professional gymnastics athlete. She also does acrobatics and hand balancing. She's very good. At the end of this video, she's also going to show you some extra exercises to start working on the one-arm handstand. Make sure to follow Tara on her Instagram and on her YouTube channel, where she is posting short videos. I'm going to leave the links in the description. So, is the press to handstand really necessary to learn flares to 90s or flare to handstands? It's not totally necessary, but it will be very useful. I really recommend learning this transition. Even if I practice flare since very long time, sometimes I still have troubles connecting flares to 90s because I never learned this transition properly. So this tutorial is gonna be a very good opportunity for me as well to start learning this move. This transition will also be beneficial for your handstand variations and for your handstand control in general. So if you really want to take your handstand game to the next level, I really recommend you learning this one. Before starting with this transition, I really recommend you being able to hold a handstand for at least 30 seconds or even more, and also being able to hold an L-sit. I already made an L-sit tutorial, you can check it on my channel, to make sure you have enough core and shoulder strength to do this transition. If you cannot really hold a handstand for more than 30 seconds, and if you cannot hold an L-sit, probably you will not be ready for this move. I also recommend you learning the tuck planche before mastering this transition. I also made a tuck planche tutorial, you can find it on my channel. You will also need some pancake stretching flexibility. The pancake stretching is just sitting like this, opening the legs, so I didn't warm up and I didn't stretch, so right now I'm very inflexible, and trying to go forward with your shoulders and with your hand. The easier this stretch is for you, the easier will be the transition. If you can go all the way down with your forehead or with your chest on the floor while doing the pancake, the press to handstand will be much easier for you. So for the press to handstand, you need a mix of flexibility, mobility, and core and shoulder strength. So let's see the progressions. Always remember that the purpose of a tutorial is to give you a general understanding of how a move could be learned. But each move can be mastered in many different ways and there is no perfect tutorial for it. Each person has a different body shape, skills level, strength and flexibility. What could be useful for you could be totally useless for someone else and the other way around. What I try to do with my Patreon is to offer you a clear and customized plan to follow that works for you. If you only rely on tutorials, there is a high chance you are missing some points or doing some extra steps you don't need to do. If you want to have individual feedback, a specific training plan, or exclusive content, check out my Patreon link in the description and choose the monthly plan that fits you best. Remember that you can always cancel or change plan. me know if you want to see more of these videos, teaching more gymnastics or acrobatic things, not only breaking related, or let me know in the comments which tutorials you want to see next. Again, check out Tara's Instagram and YouTube channel, check out my Patreon link in the description, and if you want, check out my merch, link in the description as well. See you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!